Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned in to the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in to take a look at the Dogecoin and USD pairing. It looks like Dogecoin has literally exploded out of the pattern that we recently discovered. So this is probably null and void anymore. We need to find out where Doge is going to find its next range, and we're going to explore that for you guys in this video. And if you just joined us, welcome and hit that subscribe button. I want to make sure that you stay with us here and join us on our journey as we continue to speculate in the markets and potentially find patterns and support and resistance. That's all we do, guys. It's really simple, actually. So go ahead and stick around. We're going to get into the details in this video, and let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 31st, 2021, and the current price of Doge is going to be 0.3 cents. It's 3 cents. It's up approximately 10% for the day. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we can find here. So just to kind of keep everyone up to speed, again, guys, I think we nailed this call. Seriously, we called that Dogecoin was breaking out. It literally came down to this line, perfectly kissed the line. I can't make this stuff up, guys. I didn't adjust the lines. It's irrelevant. That's actually irrelevant. So we can go ahead and erase that for now. So we're going to try to see if we can understand what's going on with a little Doge just kind of hanging out in the air right now. It went all the way. It went as high as, I think, like 8 cents. It went all the way to like 7 cents, like 7.2 cents. So that was really nice. Let's just see how high it actually bounced from all the lows there, guys. It went up 900%. Wow. That's really incredible. All right, so what we're looking at now is we're going to try to find some sort of pattern or range or something. The only thing that I can identify, which could be, this could be inaccurate, guys. I could be putting this up a little bit too soon, but I'm going to do it anyways. These are the 12-hour candles, and we'll just put up a range something like this, okay? So this range will be identified between, let's see, remember, guys, these are decimals, a little bit weird. I'll do the best I can with these numbers here. So the bottom of this range is going to be approximately, it looks like it's getting some financial support down here at about 2.7 cents. Let's just say that, 2.7 cents. And the top of it is going to be in decimals, and that's going to be approximately 5 cents. Okay, so Dogecoin is currently within this range until further notice. Obviously, it could break down here. I'm not saying it's going to do that, bulls. What I'm saying is let's be alert and try to understand where the price action is trying to find support. I'm going to pull up something special before we close it out and kind of explain to you guys what I'm seeing. But I think as simple as I could possibly make this, again, Doge is probably going to be in between 2 cents, 2.7 cents all the way up to 5 cents for some time. We have to give the price some time to consolidate. I mean, if the price has gone up almost 1,000% in less than 48 hours, we definitely have to let it cool off and understand where's the next range. I'm going to speculatively say it's going to be within this range for at least another 48 to 72 hours. Hopefully we can stop back in and give you guys a really quick update. But of course, expect anything, guys. The markets are very volatile right now. So again, if it breaks down below this 2.7 cents is what we're going to call it, we should expect to see a little bit more downward pressure, potentially even as low as 2 cents even. Okay, let's do a really quick measurement of how far the price would have to go down from this current level. Let's see, at about 2 cents. Okay, that's about 34% to the downside. Okay, so as far as like measuring how high can it go, remember when the price is kind of it's in like a new paradigm, right? It's like it's hard to measure, for me at least, to measure where can it go next, other than just saying, like everyone else is saying, it's going to go to $10, right? I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe it's going to go to $10. Maybe you guys are right. But I just take calculated measurements in the charts to understand directions and patterns and things of that nature. Hopefully you guys can appreciate that. But that's where I'm going to say that Dogecoin will potentially be within the next 72 hours. Let's give the price action a really quick revisit in 72 hours. And in closing here, I want to show you guys one more thing. Now this is called, these are Bollinger Bands. You can't really see it that well. And for those of you who are just completely illiterate, and well, not illiterate, sorry, that's not what I meant to say, like who don't understand what Bollinger Bands are, because I actually don't understand Bollinger Bands a lot myself, to be honest with you. But I do know that the yellow line is kind of the lower lip, so to speak, and the top of the yellow line is kind of the upper lip, and it's kind of a weird explanation to explain it. But the price action typically takes place within the two lips, so to speak, of this Bollinger Bands, okay? So what does that mean? Well, you notice how the price actually extended out. We can actually erase that so you guys can see it a little bit better. Notice how the price actually extended outside of this. Jesus Christ. Sorry. Unprofessionalism, guys, coming in. Notice how it kind of protruded outside of the Bollinger Bands on these two 12-hour candles here, January the 28th and January the 29th. You see I kind of came out of that box there, or that range, and then there was a reversal candle here, and it just kind of completely collapsed right back within the Bollinger Band. So that's actually a really healthy sign that the price wants to mature and it doesn't want to just blast off to the upside and have unsustainable moves. So if we get some sort of consolidation going on, maybe get this white line. If I haven't explained this, this is kind of like the perfect equilibrium between the two lines. It's kind of an average between the two yellow lips, or the lines, so to speak. Okay, so that's what this white line, and it potentially it acts as support. If it's going to continue to be in an uptrend, Dogecoin is in a very beautiful and a very aggressive uptrend, I also must add. As long as it stays above this white line here, which is currently at about, remember guys, decimals, it's going to be 0.1, it's a penny, so it's, let's call it 1.7 cents. Okay, let's just leave it at that. Okay, and I think we already did a measurement to the downside. Not saying it's going to go down, but if you do see the price go down, just understand what's going on. No need to freak out, guys. It's just trying to find financial support to the downside. It's about 40% to the downside. Take it easy. Not saying it's going to happen. But in closing here, I'm going to stick to my guns and say that we could potentially be within that 2.7, what did I say, 2.7 up to 5 cents range. We just let the price, give it some time, let it develop. I think this is pretty interesting if the price is going to be within this range for the next 72 hours. We'll give you guys a really quick visit and let you know where I'm seeing Dogecoin going in the future. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you found some valuable information in this content. Leave a comment down below. That helps promote the channel and the videos. Thank you for your support, every single one of you. And also, if you're just joining, if you guys are new, we cover the alternative, the traditional markets and stocks. So if you guys are into that, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it is readily available. And I think we covered everything, guys. Congratulations to everyone who's been holding Dogecoin and buying Dogecoin. Guys, everything is looking really nice out there for you. Congratulations to all of you who are experiencing those green screens in your portfolio there. Good job to you as you continue to buy Dogecoin and invest. And again, guys, to be transparent, I have not bought any Dogecoin. I'm not invested in Dogecoin, just to be totally transparent with everyone, all right? So that's it, guys. Take care. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.